I promise you, by the end of this video, you will have a toolkit for manifesting money, health, and success that's uniquely yours. Welcome to a space where the energy of manifestation meets the artistry of your soul. Today, we are diving deep into the secrets that can transform your life. This video is a part of a 30-day money mastery challenge. So get ready to embark on a journey that will not only captivate your mind but also stir the very essence of your being. I promise you, by the end of this video, you will have a toolkit for manifesting money, health, and success that's uniquely yours. But before that intro, we will meet after intro, so stay tuned. Hi, hello, namaste. I am Jay Pratibha, your buddy on this incredible journey of self discovery and manifestation. As an experienced natural healing expert and color therapist, my mission is to empower you to unlock the full potential of your life and invite abundance into every corner of your existence. So, here is the tip of the day. As we begin our exploration, let's focus on a foundational principle, that is the power of gratitude. Remember, gratitude is not just a practice, it's a profound energy that aligns you with the universe. So take a moment each morning and night to express gratitude for the abundance already present in your life. Keep a journal or any app for that purpose. I use the app for gratitude writing named Presently. You can search it on the Play Store. Let me share one secret with you. It's like tuning your radio station to the frequency of prosperity, health, and success. Now, let's deepen our understanding of gratitude. I want to share a personal story of how practicing gratitude transformed my own life. But after Joy's story, let me share a captivating story that represents the transformative power of manifestation practice. Meet Juhi, a woman who, like many of us, was juggling the demands of work, family, and personal aspirations. Juhi stumbled upon the concept of a colorful manifestation diary during a challenging period in her life. Juhi decided to commit wholeheartedly to the practice, carefully selecting colors that resonate with her financial goals, health desires, and vision of success. Each day, she poured her thoughts into the diary, infusing the pages with vibrant colors and positive intentions. As the day passed, Juhi began to notice subtle shifts in her energy. She found herself more attuned to opportunities and solutions, seemingly appearing out of nowhere. The visualization exercises become a cherished part of her routine, providing a oasis of positively over life's demands. 1 month into the practice, something remarkable happened. Juhi secured a new job opportunities that not only align with her career aspirations but also came with a significant financial boost. The color she had infused into her diary seems to radiate from the pages, manifesting into the vibrant reality she had envisioned. But the transformation didn't stop there. Jewish health, which had been a source of concern, took a positive turn. She attributed this shift to the intentional use of colors associated with well being and vitality in her manifestation process. Joy's success story is a testament to the profound impact that dedicated manifestation practice can have on our lives. It's not just about wishful thinking, but about aligning our energies and intention with the universe as you embark on your own colorful manifestation diary journey. Let Juhi's story inspire you. The possibilities are limitless when we infuse our dreams with intention, gratitude, and the vibrant colors of our aspirations. Now it's time to share my personal story with you. When I started writing my gratitude journal and affirmations twice a day, along with listening all Nightingale's Stranger Secret twice a day, a profound rewiring of my mind took place. I experienced the magic of a mind shift and results speak for themselves. If you eager to propel your journey of manifestation, money, health and success, further I invite you to watch the video on journaling and the strangest secrets on my channel. It could be a transformative guide for you too. As we integrate gratitude into our daily lives, let's explore now. Color therapy can amplify this practice. Color carries unique vibration, right? And by consciously incorporating specific colors into your gratitude routine, you can enhance the manifestation process. For example, visualize the color green while expressing gratitude for your health, or immerse in the energy of gold when acknowledging your financial blessings. Right now, let's dive into today's action oriented task. I call it the colorful manifestation diary. Take out your journal and begin by outlining your financial goals, health aspirations, and visions of success. As you write, infuse each entry with the energy of corresponding colors. Feel the vibrancy and power of these colors resonating with your intentions. In addition to this, let's introduce a daily visualization exercise. Set aside a few minutes each day to vividly visualize your goals as if they are already a reality. For example, if your goal is to climb the mountain, imagine yourself climbing the mountain and reaching on the top of it. Now immerse yourself in the emotions and sensation of achieving your dreams. The combination of intention, gratitude, and Visualization is a potent force that accelerates the manifestation process. I have posted a video on visualization too. You can check it out. I will share the link of all videos which are related to today's topic in the description. Please check it. As you embark on this daily practice, remember that consistency is key. Treat your colorful manifestation diary as a sacred space where your dreams come to life. Feel free to experiment with different colors based on your intuition and emotions. This isn't just a journal, it's a living canvas of your aspiration. As we wrap up today's session, I want to express my gratitude for joining me on this transformative journey. We have merely scratched the surface of what's possible in the coming days. So stay tuned for upcoming videos where we will delve deeper into the mysteries of aligning with the universal energy of abundance. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. I am here as your buddy and guide. Until next time, embrace the colors of possibility, radiate positivity, and let's manifest the extraordinary together. Before signing off, there is small request. If you like the video, please click that like button. If you think this video is useful, please share with your near dear ones because sharing is caring, right? If you want such educational videos about personal development, subscribe the channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon. And if you don't like this video, then don't hesitate to click the dislike button. But please let me know what you didn't like in this video in the comment section. It will help me to improve my videos. Thank you once again. This is Pratibha signing off, your friend in the pursuit of abundance and success. More power to you.